These machines fold sheet metal. Electrabrake folders are unique, highly versatile and easy to use for bending ferrous and non-ferrous sheet metal. The new technology of Electrabrake brings speed and versatility to sheet metal work. The powerful electromagnetic clamping system means a compact design, which gives more freedom to form the shape you want. Sheet metal of up to 1.6 millimeters or 16 gauge can be bent in the full length of the machine. Forming an ordinary bend is simplicity itself. The workpiece is inserted under the clamp bar. The start button is pressed to initiate clamping. The handle is pulled to form the bend to the desired angle. When the handle is returned, clamping is automatically released to allow repositioning for another bend. When compared with bulky clamping structures of ordinary folding machines, the Electrabrake has a very compact clamp bar. This makes the Electrabrake ideally suited to forming closed shapes, such as this duct. Notice how the clamp bar does not hinder the sheet metal workpiece. When this deep channel is formed, the channel could be of any depth. Reverse bends are easily formed on the Electrabrake. These bends can be as close together as 15 millimeters. The offset of this joggle can be as little as 1 metal thickness. An important feature of the Electrabrake is its open-ended design. This allows for many operations which are just not possible on conventional folding machines, such as this partial length bend. In this operation, notice how the lack of any structural connection between the clamp bar and the bed of the machine allows the sheet metal workpiece to project past the end of the Electrabrake. Can you imagine this shape being formed on a conventional folding machine? These open-ended operations are made possible by special centerless compound hinges, which were developed specially for the Electrabrake. An optional slotted clamp bar is available, which makes the forming of trays and shallow boxes very efficient. The positions of the slots have been calculated so that all sizes of boxes and trays can be formed. The size you want will be found somewhere on this bar. This tray won't fit here, but will fit here. As the bend is formed, the sides of the tray pass into the slots. No adjustments of fingers are required, as on conventional machines. A range of sizes of short clamp bars are supplied with every machine. These can be plugged together in various combinations to suit the size of box to be formed. There is no limitation to the depth of box which can be formed. The Electrabrake has an accurate angle scale conveniently located on the handle. For repetitive bending to the same angle, a stop may be quickly set and clamped with the Allen key provided. When repetitive bends of the same length have to be made, it is useful to set the backstops. As with the angle stop, these backstops are clamped in position using the Allen key. A dummy workpiece may be used to set a stop position under the clamp bar itself. It is easy to improvise special tooling for Electrabrake. An interesting example of this is forming a rolled edge. In this operation, the round tube is held in place magnetically. The sheet metal is then wrapped around it. This shape cannot be performed on any other machine. Radius nose tooling can easily be made by welding a bar to the edge of a piece of flat steel. This is an example of improvised round nose tooling for doing radius bends. This power shear, an optional accessory, cuts sheet metal up to 1.6 millimeters. The Electrabrake holds the sheet in position and guides the cutter, giving a straight and distortion-free cut. Eccentric adjusters at each end of the clamp bar provide a quick and convenient adjustment for metal thickness. An idea of the clamping force produced by Electrabrake can be seen by the way the electromagnetic force springs the steel clamp bar. The longer models of Electrabrake are similar to the one shown so far. For bending in thicker gauges, 2 operators may be required. A conveniently located lifting handle operates a clamp bar elevating system. A foot switch initiates clamping prior to bending. Screw adjusters at each end of the clamp bar provide adjustment for sheet metal thickness. Multiple hinges keep the bending beam in accurate alignment. A comprehensive manual is supplied which covers operation, maintenance, and how best to make various basic shapes. The Electrabrake EB0625 is the smallest in the range, followed by the EB1000, which has a length capacity of 1 meter. The EB1250 has a length capacity of 1.250 meters. The EB2000 follows by having a length capacity of 2 meters. The EB2500 and EB3200 have a bend capacity of 2.5 meters and 3.2 meters respectively. Electrabrake, taking sheet metal folding to the next level.